Making the first move is not just sexy. It's a powerful way to show confidence. It's like a secret signal that says, hey, I'm interested and I've got the guts to show it. And although we're seeing more women stepping up and taking charge, there's still something quite charming about a guy who's not afraid to make the first move. It's a dance, an interplay of interest and attraction. So let's dive into different scenarios and successful ways to make that first move. First scenario, sending the first message. Now, this can be on any platform, be it Instagram or various dating apps. The important thing is to take that leap of faith. Yes, rejection might sting a bit, but remember, it doesn't define you. It's just part of the process, and it's always better to have tried than to wonder what if. When crafting that all-important first message, it's crucial to be more creative than just a hey. Make it personal, show them you've paid attention to their profile. Find commonalities you can connect on. Maybe you both love the same obscure band, or share a passion for hiking. Ask questions, show genuine interest in getting to know them, and be direct. Make it clear you're interested. Remember, a good first message can be the key to a great conversation. Now let's move to the second scenario, asking her out. This is a crucial step in the process. It's where you express your interest in getting to know her better, in a setting that's a bit more intimate than texting or casual conversations. It's one thing to make the first move, but it's another to take the initiative to plan a date. This shows that you're eager and thoughtful, which are qualities that anyone would appreciate. But how do you do it? The key is to be direct and specific. Instead of saying, we should hang out sometime, try, would you like to have coffee with me this Saturday at the new cafe around the corner? By picking a place and suggesting a time, you're showing her that you've put thought into this. However, it's also important to strike a balance. While taking the initiative is great, the effort should be mutual. If she suggests a different place or time, be open to it. This shows that you respect her opinion and are flexible. Above all, remember that asking her out is not just about getting a yes. It's about expressing your interest in her and showing her that you're willing to make an effort. So even if she says no, don't be discouraged. It doesn't define you or your worth. Remember, a well-planned date can make a great impression and show your interest. The third scenario is about making physical contact, like a hug or a kiss. Now, this can be a tricky territory to navigate, but it doesn't have to be. The key to getting it right lies in timing and social awareness. First, let's talk about timing. It's generally a good idea to wait until the end of the date for a kiss, especially if the date went well. This gives both parties time to get to know each other and feel comfortable. But what about a hug, you ask? A hug can be a great way to break the ice at the beginning or end of the date. Now on to social awareness. Paying attention to body language and reading signs can give you a clue about when to make a move. Is she leaning in? Does she seem comfortable? These are things to consider. Remember, respect and timing are key when it comes to physical contact. Our final scenario is about going beyond hugs and kisses. When it comes to physical contact, the key is to be attentive and respectful. It's about understanding your partner's comfort level and responding accordingly. Physical contact is a way to express your feelings and connection. It could be as simple as holding hands while walking, or a gentle touch on the arm during a conversation. However, it's crucial to remember that comfort levels vary from person to person. While some may appreciate these gestures, others might find them too forward. Therefore, it's essential to pay attention to body language and signs. Does she lean in when you're talking? Does she touch you back? These subtle cues can tell you a lot about her comfort level with physical contact. Remember to be gentle and considerate. It's okay to take things slow, and it's better to wait for the right moment than to rush. Remember, always be attentive and respectful with physical contact. Let's wrap up what we've learned today. Making the first move can be daunting, but it's a powerful show of confidence. Whether it's sending that initial message, asking her out, or going in for a hug or kiss, remember to always be a gentleman and respectful. Pay attention to her comfort level and signs of interest. Express your interest when it feels appropriate. For more tips like these, be sure to subscribe and like this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and remember, be a gentleman, be respectful, and go for it.